What's going on, guys? How are you all doing today? Hope you guys are doing fantastic as always. Today is a very exciting video. Another bolt-on mod coming for my BMW M235i. As you can see, we are sparing no time on this install. If you already saw the title of this video, I got a CATLESS downpipe for this car, made exclusively from Fabspeed Motorsports. They're the same guys that actually did the axle back muffler delete on my car as well. That sounds absolutely fantastic. And now we're going to be installing the downpipe. So it will be essentially a full Fabspeed straight pipe, and I am really excited. I cannot wait to hear how this car is going to sound and to feel the power difference once I get the car tuned. Let's get right into it. Okay guys, so I already unboxed the downpipe as you saw in the previous clip, and here it is. It's really nice, really high quality stainless steel. The welds look pretty solid. There's this mounting tab right here as well for the downpipe. You can see the portion of the downpipe that connects to the rear end of the turbo. I believe it's like 4 inches in diameter, and then it sort of shrinks back down into a 3-inch to connect with the rest of the exhaust. But really awesome. One thing that I love about Fabspeed is the quality of the packaging. I've sort of already made a mess in this box, but they use this nice like sealed air stuff that really kind of molds with the product. Lots of bubble wrap. You get Fabspeed stickers as well as this nice little booklet, and just a really cool touch to everything. They also show who packaged the exhaust. So Nick Safletta, I hope I said that right. Thank you so much, Nick. Thank you so much, Fabspeed. Let's get right into the install. Also, just another thing for a quick visual comparison, here is a stock N55 EWG downpipe. This is actually off my buddy Tyler's 435i. He's the one that's helping me install the downpipe today. I'm at his house, and this is his stock downpipe, same one that's going to be on my car, and this is the new CATLESS downpipe. So you can see the difference in size. This thing is fat as hell. It also weighs a decent amount too. Like, this thing is heavy. I don't know, I'd say anywhere between like 8 to 10 pounds, if not more possibly, and this is significantly lighter. So cool thing is we're gonna be shedding off a couple pounds, and the more and more weight that you save here and there, the faster your car is. So the biggest thing right now that we are sort of struggling with is the fact that the engine is really hot. I had to drive a good 40 minutes to get to Tyler's house, so obviously the car and the engine is up to temp, and that doesn't make it easy for us to work on. So we're sort of letting everything cool down, but we're also trying to do anything that we can with this install. Tyler's actually getting under there trying to take off the V-band. He's putting in that work, and we're just gonna try to let the engine cool off. Shouldn't be that long, and we'll get on with the rest of the downpipe install. So in order to clear the downpipe when we take it off, we have to actually remove the rest of the exhaust system. So as you guys can see, like I said earlier, and like many of you guys know, I have this Fabspeed muffler bypass in the car, and it's been holding up quite well. It actually looks kind of gold now because of all the heat treatment, but this thing looks super sick, and you can see the different engravings. Once again, shout out to Fabspeed. Throwing in my name and YouTube on there. It looks so cool. But we are making steady progress. We basically unbolted the mid pipe and the muffler delete so that we could make clearance for the downpipe, like I said, and then we're just getting rid of those O2 sensors, unplugging them. From there we'll go back under to access the downpipe. Just missed a FaceTime call. That's not good.
Did you just miss a booty call?
Potentially.
You're gonna put that in the video, right?
No. Oh, was that on? Ow, that's hot. Ow. Ow.
Oh, the bolt?
Yeah, it fell on like my Where is it?
I don't see it.
I felt something really hot touch me. Oh, that's because it fell into my sleeve. It fell in my...
Omar's just dropping hot nuts in his shirt.
You read my mind. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? What a beautiful piece of emission-friendly, eco-friendly technology right there. It's a girl! Damn, so pretty. Alright, so finally got this fat freaking downpipe out. Thanks to my friend Tyler, because I was struggling to get a portion of the V-band loosened. Now all we're going to be doing is removing the two O2 sensors. We are going to attach them to the new downpipe and the new CATLESS downpipe, which is somewhere here. Oh, right there. We'll be going back into the car. I'm excited. I cannot wait to hear how this thing is going to sound. So just a quick update, guys. Recording with my phone. Look at the back of my turbo on my hand. So pretty. So that's where the new downpipe is going to go. We're gonna bolt everything back together. The hardest part with this is the V-bands. The V-bands really secure the downpipe in place, but they are a pain in the ass to take off and put back on. So we will see how this goes. Once all that's done, bolt up the exhaust and we will be done. Alright guys, so the Fabspeed CATLESS downpipe is now installed. Pretty straightforward install for the most part. Let's go ahead and hear how it sounds.